It's true. Over the past 6 months, I have been tracking my expenses and my life has changed. I am now much more aware of where my money is being spent on, and that makes me financially responsible. But before this, I have been in situations where I had no idea where all of my money went. First, I thought it was because of the low income that I had and did not care. But the scenario did not change even when I started making substantially more money. And that's when I felt it. In order to rectify this, I did two things. I started following the 50-30-20 rule of saving and paid myself first. Over the time, I started accumulating money with me that I could then invest. I have made a detailed video about this rule and its benefits, and you can find it linked somewhere here or in the description below. Trust me, you will thank me later. And secondly, I started tracking all of my expenses. From going out to buying clothes to eating out. I now track each and every penny that I ever spend. But before we talk about the how, let's talk about why. Why do I need to track my expenses? Our generation lives in the moment spending. That means 90% of our expenses are not planned ahead. Chilling at the mall? Sure, since I'm already here, let me buy something for me. See something cool online? I need to have it right now. The introduction of digital payments and UPI in India has made payments so convenient that it's very easy to overspend. As you start tracking your expenses towards the end of every month, you can sit and retrospect. Basically, you can understand if all the expenses that you made throughout your month were necessary or if they were over the top, and cut back wherever you can. Being aware makes all the difference. If you like my content so far, make sure to smash that like button as it really helps the YouTube algorithm. Now talking about the how, seeing famous influencers like Ankur Warikoo and Stephen Graham, I started tracking my expenses in Excel and failed horribly. I needed an app on which I can track, and the Excel app, well, it's too small and you can't really enter all the details on your mobile screen. That's when I switched to the app named Spending Tracker. This app is available both for Android and iOS, and I have added a widget of this app on my home screen so that it's right there in my reach and I don't have to look for it every time I make an expense. You're required to categorize your expenses so that you can look at the overall picture. For me, I have classified them into needs, wants, and savings, which will basically cover everything. I can easily add my income and my expenses by using these buttons below. I ordered my lunch from Zomato, so hitting this expense button, I can add that as an entry. So the amount was 400 rupees and the category was needs, and I can then add Zomato here. So pretty easy to use. I can also go back and view each and every single transaction I ever made in this entire month. Going to the spending tab, I get a holistic picture of where all of my money was spent, and from there I can identify which category I most spend on. This is not a paid promotion of this app, and I truly use it each and every day. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you have any questions, do let me know in the comments below. Until next time, peace.